This is the aftermath of the storm Haley, I think it was called. And see, the forest floor is just a big pond. It's usually not water here, but now it's almost a small lake. Hi guys, and happy fall, happy Halloween, almost Merry Christmas. We are, I think the date is the 4th of, is it the 4th? Yes, it's Tuesday, the 4th of November. And I woke up today telling myself it's now or never. So I went for now, meaning that if I was to try to get back into things, I have to put out a video. This is the video. There's no especially reason for my absence other than kind of life. There's a lot going on. We just have a lot to do all the time. So it's hard to find time. I have been filming ever since I saw you last, but I was supposed to kind of do a catch-up video. I don't think you're interested now in what I did this summer. So I thought that to kind of get caught up with the seasons, I wanted to do a little video for you with my fall decor. I did decorate for fall and I did decorate for Halloween. It's not a kind of big production when it comes to the decorations, but at least I did decorate. So I'll just stop rambling and I'll show you. Okay guys, welcome to my fall house. This is the entrance. I hope you don't feel it looks the same as every fall. It's not much new here, but yeah, some of it is. The mushrooms on the tray was new. The other stuff is things I've had or made and used earlier. This is the dining room, and I just wanted a simple and fall decorated table, so I did as little as I could, but still giving the fall vibe. I love this eucalyptus. I use those. I have pink and I have these colors and I love them. This is our living room, and I guess there is not much new here from previous years. What I am very pleased about this year is my window displays. I use these small houses and driftwood. This is some new art. I'm going to tell you about that later. closer. I don't do much in the kitchen, but we got a lot of wonderful red apples this year. We have done for the last three years. I actually made a huge apple cake. I was going to show you the recipe, but yeah, and maybe for another time. I also made a Norwegian casserole called lapskaus. That is something we usually make in the fall. I wanted the theme of the indoor decor this year to be ravens. They were on sale last year, and of course I didn't buy enough. I think I had 9, so yeah, it was enough. My daughter is afraid of mice, of course I have a lot of those. This year I tried to put different animals in different rooms. The entrance had the spiders. This room has mostly ravens. Of course there are some snakes, some mice, and other things. And in my living room it's mostly bats, but also ravens. I love ravens, and I got hold of these beautiful lamps. It's 2 of them. It's this one, which is a raven on a stand with the light bulb in its mouth. I just think they are so beautiful. The zombie in the window is something I made a few years ago. And of course, skeletons inside as well. There's the other raven. I just love them. I may keep those up, not only for Halloween. And the skeleton playing piano, it's kind of a every year thing. and the zombie mice, also something I made some years ago. I got hold of these small foggy machines. It's the same that we have in our pond, but they are small, so I used it on the dining table and the coffee table. And this is kind of the raven corner in this room. I made these trees. It's very simple, just some branches and some cement. And of course, a huge bat that moves. We had a lot of different food, cheese, guacamole, and of course for dessert, cat poop or brownies, of course, and ice cream with strawberry sauce. It was delicious. Okay, guys, that was my fall and Halloween decorations. Very late, at least if you're watching this in the year of 2025, maybe or in 26 or even further along. And maybe then it's you've seen it before before fall, before you're going to decorate for fall and Halloween. This was not my kind of biggest or best decorations, but at least I got to do a little bit of decor. I was very pleased with my outdoor decorations this year. A friend of mine helped me get 2 of the skeletons on sale. So I think that's my hottest tip from this video, is to, if you have a garden or an outside to decorate, you can do it on a balcony if you live in an apartment with a balcony as well. I think skeletons is a great, because they're so versatile. You can do so much with them. You just use this I can never remember what it's called. We call them strips. I don't think that's the English, but you know the things you do. Have any here? No. Yeah, the plastic things you use to kind of fasten things. You can just use those, and you can put the skeleton in almost any position. So that is what I have decided to do. I want to kind of build on my collection of skeletons and decorate with that. I have been wanting to make these chicken wire ghosts. I don't know if you have seen those. If you haven't, Google it or look here on YouTube. They are so wonderful, but that's a lot of work, so maybe for another time. But yeah, that's also a kind of a huge, or you can get big decorations for a little amount of money. Just buy chicken wire, yeah, where you buy chicken wire, not in a craft store. I don't know if even if they have it there. But where the farmers buy it, and then you can easily make these gorgeous, big, great outdoor decorations, or cement. Yeah, these big cement ghosts, and yeah, there's so much I want to try. So I just have to find the time. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop rambling and talking. Thank you so much for stopping by. I don't know when my next video is coming. I hope it's going to be a lot faster than this. I can promise you, unless something very, very special happens, that I will get a Christmas house tour to you. And hopefully a lot more videos. I was thinking maybe I should try to do 5 or 10 minutes videos a week. That would, for me, because my goal is to get a video out every week. That was what I was doing when I started, and I want to come back to that. but I have to have something, and I don't know where kind of my creative path is going right now. As you can see, I am in the middle of several painting and drawing courses. One very big, the Milan Mastery Program, and I'm also taking in live, or how you say it, class with local artists. A man called Reidar Finserud. He's kind of the Norwegian Da Vinci. So I have a lot of homework, and I'm kind of a tunnel vision type of person. When I do things, I like to kind of throw myself into it. So it's the drawing and the painting that's taking most of my time right now, but I want to do decor as well. So I am going to take down the Halloween decor tomorrow, and then we'll start on the Christmas decorations. So yeah, I hope I'll be back soon. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll click the bell, subscribe, like, all the good stuff that helps my channel. I'm sure it's about to die if I don't do anything soon, so I would appreciate the help. Okay, guys. Love you. Bye.